To make a payment with Fifth Third Bank, start by gathering the necessary information and materials. You will need your account number, the payee's name and account number, and the payment amount. First, decide on the payment method you want to use, such as online banking, mobile banking, phone banking, or in-person banking. If you choose online banking, log into your Fifth Third Bank account and navigate to the Payments section. Select the type of payment you want to make, such as a bill payment or a transfer to another account. Enter the payee's information and the payment amount. Then review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. Confirm the payment and wait for a confirmation message. If you prefer mobile banking, download and install the Fifth Third Bank mobile app on your device. Log into your account and select the payment option. Follow the prompts to enter the payee's information and the payment amount. Then confirm the transaction. For phone banking, call the Fifth Third Bank customer service number and follow the automated prompts to make a payment. Have your account information and payment details ready. To make a payment in person, visit a Fifth Third Bank branch during business hours. Bring your account information and payment details, and let the bank representative assist you with the transaction. Regardless of the payment method you choose, make sure to keep a record of the transaction, including the payment date, amount, and payee information. This will help you track your payments and ensure that they are processed correctly. It is also important to note that Fifth Third Bank may have specific requirements or restrictions for certain types of payments, so be sure to review their policies and procedures before making a payment. By following these steps and best practices, you can make a payment with Fifth Third Bank quickly and easily.